Chef Salty Pork coming at you in another footage real quick. So with the popularity of the Witcher series, I'm assuming a lot of people are trying to compare Henry Cavill's voice with Doug's. So I've done you a favor. I don't own any of this footage. I just simply recorded them on my TV and I am going to split it. So here's what I want you to do. Get a pretty good pair of headphones. I'm gonna split Henry's voice on your left side, and I'm gonna split Doug's voice on the right side. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna try to put them where they said the same exact monologue. That way you can actually hear it live during the same one. In my opinion, Henry's voice is actually slightly lower than Doug's. Doug's, which is more of a natural rasp, is a little higher timbre on the right side. Okay, other than that, thank you and enjoy.
Evil is evil. Lesser, greater, middling. Makes no difference. It's all the same.
Come fit me!
Bring her down. Do it my way.
You like that, you bitch?
Get the hammer.
Kick our teeth in!
The degree is arbitrary. The definition's blurred. If I'm to choose between one evil and another, I'd rather not choose at all. Just make it quick, Geralt.
What the?
Close your eyes.
Hit him! What are you doing?